Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly what you're fixing, wired or Bluetooth, and which device you'll use. Run a stereo test track and swap devices to isolate headset versus source. Visually inspect connectors, cable joins, and the ear cup for debris or damage. If wired, wiggle the cable while audio plays. Once done, note battery level and pairing status for wireless sets. Make sure basic firmware, or OS sound settings, aren't masking the problem before you proceed to deeper fixes. Now dive into settings and hardware. On your device, inspect audio balance and disable enhancements. Update or reinstall drivers if needed. If comfortable, open the ear cup and inspect the driver and wiring for detached leads or cold solder joints. Use magnification and a gentle multimeter continuity check. Try a known good cable or different Bluetooth codec and swap ear pads to rule out fit-related attenuation. Once you identify a loose wire or software anomaly, repair or reinstall the affected component and retest immediately. Finish by implementing the fix. Resolder loose connections, replace a damaged driver or cable, or update firmware for Bluetooth latency and codec issues. After repair, recalibrate balance and audio settings on every paired device, then run a final stereo test track at multiple volumes to confirm equal output. If volume remains low on one side, perform a factory reset or test under warranty. Otherwise, consider professional repair. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, heat, or movement during testing can reveal a hidden break in wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.